The Yamaha Road 350, a motorcycle that holds a legendary status among enthusiasts, has made a triumphant return in 2025. Yamaha has revived this iconic machine with modern updates while preserving its classic charm. The new Road 350 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, appealing to both seasoned riders and a new generation of motorcycle lovers. The 2025 Road 350 comes equipped with a cutting-edge parallel twin engine, designed to deliver the thrilling performance the Road series is known for. This liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine produces impressive power and torque, ensuring an exhilarating ride on both city streets and open highways. Yamaha has also incorporated advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter, to enhance the overall riding experience. In terms of design, the new Road 350 retains its retro-inspired aesthetics with a modern twist. The round headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and minimalist rear end pay homage to the original model while incorporating contemporary elements like LED lighting and a fully digital instrument cluster. The lightweight frame and ergonomic design make the motorcycle agile and comfortable, catering to both spirited rides and everyday commutes. Yamaha has paid close attention to the suspension and braking systems to ensure exceptional handling and safety. The bike features adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, providing a smooth and controlled ride. Dual-channel ABS comes as standard, coupled with high-performance disc brakes for reliable stopping power in all conditions. The 2025 Yamaha Road 350 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of Yamaha's commitment to innovation and legacy. With its perfect balance of nostalgia and modernity, it is set to become a favorite among riders who appreciate the thrill of motorcycling and the timeless appeal of an icon reborn.